Hello guys, welcome to Sparking Media once again. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step on how you can connect your Vantage account to Metatrafer5 and execute your trade. Okay, so this is how it is if you are using the application or you're using the website. I am using the website in this video, which is the vantagemarket.com, as you can see here. Okay, so what you need to do on your dashboard is to click on account. When you click on account, wait for it to load. You can see the Mt5 account here, and you can still see it here. So if you don't want to use the current active ones you have, or let's say you don't know the password again, you can easily create another one by clicking on open account. When you click on open account, you can see this place here. You select, you choose live account, you choose Mt5, recommended Mt5, then scroll down, then select USD, then click on submit. So when you click on submit, they're going to process it, and after that, shortly they will send you your login details on your Gmail account. Okay, your login details on the Gmail account which you sign up with Vantage Market with. So all you need to do is to go to your Gmail. Now I requested this one this morning for the purpose of this video. Okay, so now I have requested already for this one here. You can see it's active. This is my first account and this is my second account. So now I'm going to get the login details from my Gmail account, and then I'm going to use it to log into my Metatrafer5 account. Okay, now I will go to my Gmail. So you can see it here. They are going to send it on your Gmail. So here you click on it. So you can see it here. You can see the login here. You copy it, the login, you copy it. Copy the login. Then when you copy the login, minimize it. Then go to Metatrafer5. When you go to Metatrafer5, click on the three dots here. When you click on the three dots here, click on add account or manage account. Then you click on the plus button here. When you click on it, you see this place, find broker. Click on it. Then search for Vantage. Search for Vantage. So when you search for Vantage, you can see this one, Vantage International Group Limited. Click on it. So when you click on it, the login you copied, you paste it, then go back, minimize it, go back to your Gmail again. So you can see this place here, Mt5 password. Copy it. When you copy it, minimize it and go back to Metatrafer5. Paste it on this place here where the right password. So paste it. Then you can see this place here, server. Go back and check the server which they made for you. My own server is Vantage International Live 4. So go back, then click on, you can see this place here, server. Click on the arrow and select Vantage. It depends on your own server, may be different. In this case, my own is Vantage International Live. For your own, may be Vantage International Live. Your own may be Vantage International Live 2. So anyone that is your own, you select. My own is 4. Okay. Then after you are done selecting it, you can see this place here, login. Click on login. Then wait for it to connect. So you can see it here is connecting. So that is how you connect your Vantage account to Mt5. So you can see it here. You can see I have successfully connected my own. So now if I deposit, the money will reflect here and I can easily execute my trade. You can see chart here. You can see the chart here. You can see where to add currency pairs and the rest of them. You can see them, all of them here. So that is how it's been done, guys. So you know how to deposit. How to deposit is very simple. You just click on deposit session here. You use any of the available payment option in your country or deposit option in your country. You can use it to deposit. Okay, so that is how it's been done, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please kindly like this video and also share this video. And if you are new to this channel, my name is Sparking Media. I share my own experiences on this channel on how to make money online with your smartphone. So ensure to subscribe on this channel so that you will not miss any of my latest updates on how to make money online. And soon I will start teaching forex on this channel for beginners. For those of you who are still beginners, I will start teaching forex highest from January or February 2025. So stay tuned in this channel if you want to learn how to trade forex on your own. Okay.